Hello for everyone. Today we have to learn about the Flutter, how to create a file, how to write for the Flutter code. Let's begin by opening Visual Code Studio, Visual Studio Code. If you have to already make sure Flutter and the Dart plugins installer, you can find them in Experiences tab to the left. Search for the Flutter install, and it's also installed the Dart automatically. So for that we need to open terminal. Let's open. We need to place this. File, maybe terminal. Here we have a terminal. Let's run the task. Let's to the terminal, new terminal, and we can open here the terminal. Terminal helps for how to open how to find the mistakes from here, or we can search shortcuts. If you need to by shortcut, you can come for this, and here file and the performance, and there is a key shortcuts. There is, you can find such kind of shortcuts for the Flutter if you need it. For the debugging, for anything, the debugging shortcut is Ctrl Shift 5, maybe Ctrl Shift V, yes. Ctrl Shift V. Okay, let's move on for another. Ctrl Shift 5. Okay, let's skip. First of all, we need to create the new files that is we don't have. So for that we need to create the new files. We must have the text file, but I already deleted, so because we don't need it. So for that I deleted. Let's delete for all of this. First of all, we need to make this. In the terminal, type of following command and create a Flutter project. We need to create a Flutter project and open it, but the Flutter project names don't have approval in the thing. And this will be generate a new folder with the name Hello Flutter, or I have a Flutter application 1. Then it's containing the default Flutter structure, and you don't have such kind of dots or ads like this. And exploring the project structure, we will see the few folders like Dart, tool, Android, iOS, and the most important, the lib folder. That's where our main Dart code lives. Open the lib folder, and the Dart clicks them together. Click on the main Dart for this kind of folder. You can open it. Inside the main Dart, you will see the something state code that it says void main, like this. Void main, yes. Run. This is the entry point. If you Flutter's Flutter application is a function, run clicks of the UI part of app application. Let's simplify and build minimal app from scratch, so you understand exactly that. Exactly what's going on. Write the full app from a sketch. We need to write this. We don't need this kind of sketches. We already have the bucket, the code. So for that we need to open it. Yeah. First of all, we can see the form like this in Flutter. We need to create them together. Okay. We need to pass this kind of Flutter application, this application that's right here. Okay, let's first of all write the code. We don't need this kind of Control A and we can delete it. Okay, we need to start. What is the input? Input is the most important things. Import is the most important things in this case. Also, package. Next we have a package Flutter package. That will have such kind of examples for that. We need to Flutter materials with the materials dot dart, and that is we have to pass like this kind of structure. Okay, first our line is whited, and let's move to the second. That is we need to have a void, and this kind of packages brackets, yes, run up, and the text with a big letter text, and then we need to write something here. For example, let's write a hello. Hello Flutter. Yeah, we need to like this, and the text direction. Text here we have direction, we can put it also, and we need to write also the text with a big letter. Text direction is this. Left, right, left to this. Okay, we need to pass it together. This kind of switches, and we need to write this. Also, I think it's all. If you need to something right, we need to put them together with the lights that is already have that I show it. That's a shortcuts that is I already showed. I can see it again if you want. We can't read it because it's so hard for us, yes, the reading like this kind of code, so we need to come for the file, and then we have maybe the reference, and
Ben bir miydi? Karamaydı.
Tabii the keyboard shortcuts. That is, we need to find the format document. You can also write like this. For example, we have a Shift Alt F. Yes, in also the Mac. In a Mac, we can put the Shift. Shift is an option Alt F. Yes, there is a documental for the documental formats because we can read it easily. So for that, maybe use them. Okay, let's use them. Okay, let's select them, and Shift Alt F. Yes, Shift Alt F. No. Shift Alt F. No. Shift Alt F. Okay. Let's keep it, please. Okay. We need to turn it like this. Switch from the phone. restart, please. There is a hot restarting. What's the difference between hot restarting and restart? Yes, hot restarting and hot reloading. Yes, hot reloading is allowed retake the phone again. The application is again to it. Okay, let's open them. That we have a here, yes. Wait. Now here we have a hello Flutter. We need to do the main officers. Also, we need to write them in the center of this. So, how to create it? We have this kind of the codes. Let's say void main is correct, not text. Here we need to write a center. Center, and there is I have such kind of no meanings. Yeah, let's delete them all. Let's here delete. Let's open new brackets child. Here we need to write text. Text, and we can write here something for the we can also write hello Flutter. Hello Flutter, okay. Clear. And the text direction this, and also the text direction, but with a directive. Yes, this one. And here also text direction, but with a big letter. Text direction, yes. Left side of corner like this. Dot. This. That is, we have a problem. What kind of problem? We can solve it. We can solve it now. Let's try to solve it now. That is, we have a problem like this. We need to put it text center child. Okay. Void main run to the center. Let's open the terminal. Let's see the problems. I think we have a problem here. Let's see it again. Yes, we can also do that. We need to have 3 brackets, but we have only 2. So for that we have a problem. We need to do them again. This and this. Yes, we don't have a problem. Yes, okay, we solve it. And we need to do them. Let's break down the was just right. Let's open it. Let's click reloading. Again, project, where is it? The Flutter project we have a 2, but I think it's the 2. We can put it here. Okay. Let's put it out. We need to have it also. It is we have this kind of problems. Let's wait it. We have also the screens like this. Let's open it together. I will do it again. Okay, let's open in Chrome. Yep. Let's do it. We already have to load it. I think it's the 2 one, why it's not opening. Maybe I think I open. Then here. Are you sure? See this kind of Flutter? The hour have the text decoration. Text decoration is in the left corner here in the center. So for that is widget press the center. And we can do it also here. The hello Flutter. We can do it again. Yes, if you want. Maybe yes, I have already written the code with my debugging. Let's open it again and hot logic, yeah. Here as you can see we have such kind of codes. Text decoration like this. Wait. First title Flutter app. Welcome Flutter, yes, like this kind of. Let's start it again. Maybe I think is that. Let's open it again.
지하 선생님이
Like this. I think that is our file, our.
Quando quanto vocês não lembram?
Tá disposto.
Okay, that's it. That's all our ending the course. Let's open it just like this. Here we have the hello Flutter. There we have a hello Flutter. That's it. Creating a text from a Flutter and creating a phone. That's all. The project is ended with this. Congratulations, you just created run your first Flutter app such as VS Code. In VS Code, you have learned how to set up the Flutter project, how to write UI with widgets, and how to run the hot rollout your app. Hot rollout is this one. And how to the status with the photo, how to create this kind of text. That's it. So it's for now. Bye.